playing truant. Well, let's just so let me toss it across to Yash, who's joining us, right? So we report the cabinet basically the insurance amendment bill was put in front of the cabinet yesterday. The bill is now going to go to the parliament when the winter session of parliament starts. And of course, I mean, most likely it's going to be cleared. We've, of course, been reporting on what is there in the insurance amendment bill, 100% FDI, composite license, etc., etc. Yash has been speaking with both industry CEOs and analysts to understand broad strokes, broad contours of, who benefits and perhaps who's at a bit of a disadvantage. Of course, remember, this is all just feedback and companies will maneuver. They've been preparing for this. They will maneuver so that, they are on the right side in that sense. But Yash, take it away.
Well, Prashant, as you rightly pointed out, it is a once-in-a-lifetime moment for the insurance sector, as the complete dynamics of the sector are expected to change with the insurance amendment bill getting tabled and approved in the parliament. As far as the bill is concerned, I've been speaking to a lot of analysts and industry players, and the general feedback is that the insurance amendment bill largely is going to be a negative when it comes to standalone health insurance companies. That is on one side of the bill. At the same time, the insurance amendment bill is going to be a big positive for distributors of insurance. In the listed space, of course, we have Policybazaar or PB Fintech, to whom the bill could benefit in a big way. Why? I would tell you that. The insurance amendment bill, at least 3 out of 5 major amendments seem to be negative for standalone health insurance companies. The first one is 100% FDI when it comes to the insurance industry. This is expected to bring a lot of large global players into the sector, and so far for all the new players, the first choice of entry has been health insurance market. Here, there are about 6 players at this point of time, but with more players coming in, the competitive the intensity could go up. The next one is composite insurance license. Large life insurance companies could come in the health insurance space, having the capability to disrupt the market, but health insurance companies may not have the capability to enter the life insurance market, and hence there's a higher possibility of the health insurance market getting disrupted with the agency force which they may bring. The third one is reduction in initial capital and net worth. Now, this is also expected to bring a lot of smaller players which may tap the untapped areas of health insurance market, again disrupting one of the most important growth areas for standalone health insurance companies. And all these 3 points expected to bring more business for distributors like the ones of Policybazaar.
Okay. All right. Thanks very much, Yash, for those details. So that's an important development to track, as perhaps that bill makes its way, the amendment bill, that is, makes its way through Parliament. Thank you for that. Well, we've got Ambarish